In the first video I showed you all components that we have, so please check this video to understand what I'm doing here. Let's go with first screens that we have here. Simple splash and onboarding. Yeah, simple but powerful and useful. It's auto layout, so you can add more text here, it will be stretched. 3 login flows, the simplest one with social media, the same as previous but different layouts. A different vision of login using tabs. Quickest and simplest login with phone and entering SMS code, and screens for forgot or recover your passwords. Also in demo version we have the screens. They are also without layout, so you can add more items or delete. It will be stretched without any problem. Didn't put components here, but you have fonts and color system for free. Okay, let's get back to our main version. So the next big section is registrations. This is one simple registration where all fields are on one screen. We can customize it like we want. For example, we can delete hint from password and we can make it static. Phone active. And for example, full name, we want to add first name or second name. You see how quickly it is. We don't need to move anything because it's moving automatically without layout. Another pane screen is terms and conditions, and when client asks you to add the screen, you have to find any text and put it down, and I don't like when people use lorem ipsum, so I found some term and condition text and put it, so will be really useful. The next registration version is a complex one with 3 steps, with confirmation, SMS code, and with uploading photo and some documents. For example, we can add plot flying license. We select plane, and we just made in seconds another block. It will auto layout to as all other screens. The next registration is in steps. It's for minimal design, and the last one for registration are details and location. So yeah, pick your interest, set your goal. It could be used in different applications. For example, events, you can put down interests or anything you want. And this could be fit for delivery applications to select the address on the map and then details like house number and apartment number. Let's go to the next sections. There are main screens. In future version will be much more, but for now there are only restaurants. And best blocks and sections in this wireframe kit as filters, especially this one. I use them a lot in my projects, and I will save a lot of time having this in wireframe kit. Also, you can use these filters for restaurants, for travel apps, delivery apps. It's also auto layout. We can select price here, we can select kilometers, and we can customize this like we want. Another amazing screens are for search. Let's see what we have. When we open search, it could help us to find the items, products, also here tags. This is our search history. If we didn't find anything, it will be suggest our previous searches or anything. Won't suggest anything, but we have 2 icons for search with QR code or camera, and the final search screen will be with some suggestions. The next is really one of the important parts of the wireframe kit, is alerts and model windows. All developers or clients will be really thankful for you when you have these screens in your wireframe or UI design. Why? Because this is very important to understand what you should allow in a current project to users. For example, allow tracking. I added all texts that are officially in iOS, so you don't need to change anything, just change app name and apply yours. I have this for notifications, for location, 2 different ways for location, to allow always or just allow while using, microphone, photo library and camera. And finally, for this section, we have some loading screens. Many designers missing in their designs, and I think it's really important to show as well. Another big section is checkout and payments. I added one cart screen. I will add more in the future, but for now I made this simple one. We can also add or remove any other elements. It's with autolayout. We have two different payment methods. This one, it's pretty simple. We have all payment methods in one list. We can add and go through this flow. Also, what we have here is totally different payment flows. We have three different options: Apple Pay, bank card. We can select and add new, and it's cash with a banner to explain how it will be used. This is screen for adding new card. Also, this important icon where we can scan it, and two windows where payment is successful or declined and we need to remake it. These are also very important screens because I hate spending time on this. I will save really a lot of time with this little details screen. Let's go to chats. I promised you to show how this works, and I will do it right now because it's super fun and powerful. This is a simple chat screen to pinned chats and other with different sended messages. For a new chat, we can add from contacts or add a new one, and this is where magic happens for real. You remember, you see this strange layout? That's everything to make it work proper in autolayout. I can add as many messages as I want. I can change it. I can change for media. I can change for video or file, or it could be audio message. It could be plain. It could be plain for the person. Wow, I really like how it worked. I have one issue here. When you select recording, but you press only one button here and everything is fixed. I'm sorry for this, but I think it's more powerful when you have an ability to change it instead of don't have it. I put all possible scenarios, for example, many audio messages, recording and fixed. When it's recorded and you can send it. You can make as many possible scenarios as you want for here. I made all elements very easy to customize. If you want to add more text, it will be added. It will be automatically moved, and I really like how it works. And here is the last one, account and settings. This is simple account. We have a photo, we can fix it, change it. We can change anything we want. This is a screen for edit profile. This is a template. I think it will be useful for you as well to add maybe another screens here. And finally, contact us screens. I just show you totally more than 60 screens. In the next video, I will show how you can use the screens in your real project and cover from 60 to 80% of all application wireframe screens in less than 10 minutes. See you soon.